Hello lovelies, you're so welcome to Cassia Naturals, and thank you so much for clicking on this video. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how to style your beautiful hair. So we are going to use some eco styler gel. So this is all the products that I'm showing you are my favorite. I've done reviews on them. I'm going to link all the videos in the description box below. So that is ISO plus Age Control. It's faded, but that is how it looks like. And we're also going to use our Clove water. Actually, we're in a challenge of 1 month of using Clove. So always Clove in our regimen. Clove, yes to Clove. And we're also going to use some aloe vera. So if you've been long on this channel, I highly speak of aloe vera because it has vitamins and minerals which actually promote hair growth. And we're also going to use a rattle comb. So I'm going to use a rattle comb just for, parting, not combing our hair, of course. And lastly, but not the least, we're going to use some bobby pins for pinning. Yes. And we're also going to use a thread. You can use whatever gadget you use, but I'm going to use a thread. So now I'm just, separating my hair a little bit. So like if you belong on this channel, I love low maintenance hairstyles. So subscribe to our channel, friends, and give this video a like. And you know what, in as much as I love sharing, I want my channel to grow so that we can reach a bigger audience. So my goal is actually 1,000 subscribers. So if you're new on my channel, click on that red subscribe button and subscribe now. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much, dear friends, for your love and your support. So I'm going to make a part in the front, as you can see. At least we are trying our best where parting is concerned. But of course, not very perfect. But as time goes on, we'll definitely be getting better and better. So now I'm going to clip the rest of the hair at the back so that we start doing the front so that we are not disturbed. So like this hairstyle came out very nice. So I'm going to spray our Clove on the perimeter of our hair. I'm not, of course, going to spray the Clove on the rest of the hair. I don't want shrinkage. Yes, if you don't want, if you want, you can do so, but I didn't want the hair to get shrunken because of the kind of hairstyle that we're doing today. And we're also going to go in with our aloe vera. Please don't go away. Continue watching this video. You see how it came out, friends. Like it came out very, very nice and perfect. This is something that you can do within a shorted possible time. And we can actually rock this hairstyle at work, at school, wherever, to the party. It's very, very beautiful. Like it came out very nice. So in the front, I'm going to do some flat twist. Yes, like friends, I love, taking care of my own natural hair. If you've been long on this channel, like I don't go to salons. Yes, but of course I do understand that there are good salons out there, but I do take care of my own hair. Yes. So like I'll continue like doing flat twist. So if you don't know how to flat twist, friends, it's not something difficult. You can actually learn. Yes, like I never knew how to braid, but I had that interest, and then I started watching some videos on how you can flat twist cornrows, and now I'm okay, like now perfect, if I may say. So at the end, like I want this style to, this front section to go to reach the back, so I'm going in with our Brazilian wool. Or you can, if your hair is long, no need of doing this. So you can even use a cotton thread if you so wish. And this hairstyle, friends, like it's very gentle. It won't cause your edges if you're trying to grow out your edges. Like this is something that you can try without costing your edges. So subscribe to our channel, friends. Give this video a like, share this video. Please don't forget to share and hit the notification bell so that every time I upload, you'll be notified. So actually, I do upload videos every day on this channel. So I do share crafts like lifestyle, healthy lifestyle. I also share how to DIY, how to have flawless skin without using any toxic ingredients, and how to grow and embrace our natural hair. Whatever state your hair is, it's so beautiful, friends. Like whatever God made is so beautiful. You don't need to be ashamed of your hair. It's beautiful, friends. Embrace it, love it, and style it. So I'm spraying the products at the perimeter to the rest of the hair strands. Of course, not the hair strands, but to the perimeter of the back. And we're going in with our aloe, like so. So I lather it in. I'm not going in with brushes, so I'm going in with our ISO Plus Age Control gel. Like this gel doesn't flake. This is a gel that you can use, friends, without on the go. Like you won't have any residues. I've highly talked about this gel. I'm going to link the video in the description box below. But of course, you know what, friends, like not every product may work for you. It may work for others, and it may not work for you. So Isoplus, some people say it doesn't work well for them, but for me, it does work. Yes, so stick on to what works, friends. So now I'm putting it on the perimeter of our hair like so that our hairstyle is laid and flat. We don't want any flyaways. So I'm just doing that with my hands. You know, if you want, you can go in with brushes. And I'm going to get some Eco Styler gel. So I've done a video. I've reviewed the gel, different brands of the Eco Styler gel. I'm going to link the video in the description box below. Like they are very, very informative. All this video I'm talking about, friends, they are very, very informative. Kindly check them out. So like I didn't go heavy handed. I just wanted a little so that we could dab it on the perimeter of our hair, so that our hair could come together without any flyaways. So now I'm getting a cotton thread. You can use any that you have, elastic band, whatever you have. So I'm going to like put it at the perimeter of the hair at the back, and then I'm going to pull gently, and you need to tie it so that it doesn't unravel, like so. Like we are very, very gentle, friends, because you don't want to cause your edges. You don't want to have a headache. Like beauty shouldn't hurt. So if you experience a headache, make sure that you undo it. And then I'm going to tie it there. You can even put a bobby pin if you so wish, but I'm going to do that later. So now I'm coming to the front section that I did, and then I'm going to tie it all around our bun, like so. And then I'm going to pin it with just one bobby pin. You can go in with as many bobby pins as you want, so that it's secured. So one bobby pin was actually enough. So now at this point, you can fluff your hair out or comb it. So I'm just finger combing, as you can see, separate into your desired look, like so. So friends, that's the reason why I didn't want to moisturize the rest of my hair, because I didn't want any shrinkage there. We wanted our bun to be fuller, not shrunken. We wanted some length, like that. Work it through until you are satisfied with what you are doing. So subscribe to our channel, friends. If you're enjoying this video, give this video a like, and rate this hairstyle, friends. Is it 10 out of 10? Comment in the section below. So like I'm going in with more Isoplus edge control gel, like so. Have you seen like our hairstyle is looking so beautiful? So that is how the back looks like. As you can see, like there isn't any tension there. Like it looks so beautiful. So at this point, actually, you know what? You can go anywhere you want to do. You want to go to church, for shopping, for church. So now I want this hairstyle to come out perfect. So I'm putting on a silk scarf on the perimeter of our hair so that our hair can be more laid, friends. So always do it with love and be gentle. You don't have to experience a headache. So I'm going to leave it on for at least 15 minutes. So once 15 minutes is over, you can now remove it. So like friends, I really love how it came out. Look at that. The hairstyle is so beautiful, right? Subscribe to our channel, friends. Give this video a like and comment in the section below. And I thank God, because you know what, friends, my hair is growing, is gradually growing, and I'm so happy. Like it's coming back to the way it used to be. It's hallelujah, hallelujah, hallelujah. Yes. So comment in the section below, friends. And please subscribe, share, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that every time we upload, you'll be notified. So I'm so happy. Like the hairstyle came out very nice and very good. So I'm just showing you the front. That is how it looks like. I'm so happy. 100% happy. Yes. So comment in the section below, friends. Bye bye. Thank you so much. God bless you. See you in our next video.